The Irish Hooks.
What's up, YouTube? Appreciate you checking out the new video. So I wanted to let you guys know I've started to accumulate some of the new subs for the build, and I'll be posting a video shortly showing you a little sneak peek of what exactly they are, and maybe a little unboxing. Hey man, forget about talking about it. Why don't you just show them what's up? It's not that hard. Just keep watching this video. You heard the man. Let's check it out. What's up, YouTube? Coming in with a little build update. I have most of my new shipment in. Want to let you guys get a sneak peek and see what's coming next. Check it out. Alright, it's time to unbox and see what we've got inside. Oh, you already saw it. There we go. We have the SA DB3 15 dual ones. Warranty paperwork. Manual. It's in the stack. I really like this. I dig it. Let's take it off. Let's check this thing out. Maybe we should set you down. Let's take it out and take it out. Dumbass. That's fine. Huh. I'm not sure what the 300 is. Fuck. I gotta break the fucking table. Give me 1 second. Alright, so let's see what we've got. Here we have the Bonce SA3 or DB3 3-inch coil, 2800 RMS. And these are some big beefy woofers, guys. Let's take a look at these. I really like the sealed motors. I really like the baskets too. God, man, if I break these, I'm doing something. This is top-notch stuff. We have the high heat coil. This magnet boot. Really like these motors, and I'll be running these how I did the previous. They'll all four be inverted in the 6-order wall. For now, I'm going to keep the Sundown 7500 just to do the sub swap alone and see how much I gain from just the sub swap from the SA 2715s to the DB3s. And after that, I'm going to be working on moving the amp. Have something maybe in the works, but we'll keep that a secret for now. But yeah, next video I may have a full unboxing of one they come in new. May include it in with this one as well. But yeah, wanted to give you guys a heads up, let y'all know what's going on. And we're planning to make the Sundown show 2018. Should have the rest of the Wolfers here by the end of this week if all goes well. So hopefully should be playing by this weekend. Right now it's July 9th. But yeah, man. Got about a month to get everything tested, installed. I mean, the wall's there. We just got to drop the subs in, but I'm excited. Hoping for big things. To be honest, I'm hoping for 1.5 to a 2 DB game. Just sub swap alone, nothing else. But I'll be happy. Anyway it goes. These things are fucking massive. Alright guys, well I appreciate y'all checking out the video.